Let's write it in the notes. Acceleration on control. Actually, we do have it on. Why the camera? Where's the camera? Come on. That zone is basically a delay. I wouldn't call it a delay. It's more like yeah, I don't know. I don't like the it's not a delay. Because delay means that you push it and then it reacts after a while. Right? Here it's not a delay, it's more like you push it and nothing happens. So an option in settings that people can adjust to their controller would be good. Okay. Dead zone controller, look dead zone, and option modify dead zone settings option. Okay. All right, we're about to have ads. I'm just gonna go in to the settings and change the name of this from mouse sensitivity to look sensitivity. No, the delay, I don't have the words. Yeah, I understand what you mean, yeah. Okay, so you need to be look sensitivity. There you go. A gradient of sorts. Yeah, so that's what I need to look into. That when you push the stick a little bit, it moves a little bit, and if you push it all the way, it moves all the way. No idea how to do that. I'm telling you, this is the first game. This is my first game where I'm doing controller support, so. Also, we have ads. I'm gonna be right back. I want to stretch. Boop. I'm trying to get to get a cat in here. There you go. There's a different cat. Look at this one. She's so cute. And the other one is still under my blanket. Why are you so cute? You wanna stay? You wanna go? What do you wanna do? Okay, I guess we're staying. She's just chilling here. There you go. No. Can you be here? What is that? That's nothing. Okay. Can you sit here? You wanna sit here? Okay. All right. So sensitivity works. Cool. And now it's called look sensitivity. Boop. No, she left me. She left. Well, she's still here, but yeah, okay. Controller look dead zone. How that work? I know. Wait, there is a video that I've been following for the Unity thing. And here he talks about, can you move? Move. 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 Where is here? How to implement dead zone? Oh, but he's what are you talking about? Okay. How do we add a dead zone? Oh, it's right. It's right there. I forgot. If we go to the look, right, we have to normalize. Do we want to normalize it? Okay. So what is it? Stick dead zone. I don't know if these values are good or not. Let's try. Telling you, I'm not Oh, you said that you put it in the settings anyway. I don't see a difference. I don't see a difference. Is default in the project wide input settings. I don't feel any difference with that on or without with it off. Yeah, that's bullshit. I don't see any difference. What if I say 0.5? And whatever. 0.6? What are you gonna do now? I don't feel a thing. What is the dead zone? What does it do? Or well, how does it work? That's the question. Because maybe it's because we're normalizing the values. Try to move it. Yeah, no, it doesn't do anything. Even the slightest touch on it moves it. Ah, there you go. It's because we normalize the value. Okay, cool. So we're not gonna normalize it. And then let's restore the defaults. Pap. Pap. There you go. Again, I don't know if this is enough, if this is not enough. I'll put it in the settings menu as you suggested. But Okay, now I see it. Oh. Wait, now it does the slight movement. You see that? And that. Oh. Two birds, one stone kind of thing. Very nice. So do I need to do the same for the move? So that will enable players to move just a little bit with the stick. What are you doing? Where is she? I can hear her. Hazel. Such a menace. All right, let's try it. Yeah, look at that. Very nice. I like. Cute. All right, then. Oh, let's see if the looks and why is it putting it on 0? Yeah, I need to speed this up. Yeah, okay, so that still works. Cool. But we do need to fix the look sensitivity slider and check that it's been applied and start to the camera. Because I have a feeling that it's the sensitivity is not being applied to the camera, only sensitivity. Yeah, okay. I have a feeling that it's not being applied to the camera. Very nice. So this is good. This is good. That came with you know, 1 and 2 thingy. So you're saying that I should add it in the oh, but I don't know if I can do it in the settings. I don't think I will add it to the settings, to be honest. If people will request it, I will. Because these settings, you cannot change them on runtime. Hazel! I'm gonna let her out. Give me a second. I'm pretty sure these cannot be changed on runtime. What is it? Input actions, processors, runtime, change runtime. I don't think it's possible. It's possible to change runtime settings at runtime. This drove me mad. You have to directly manipulate the string and apply the binding from a copy. In case of invert y, okay. So what? Who's this? Other. Um. So you get a binding. Why are you using vars? Oh my god. Okay. So action change binding to binding. That's such a hack. There has to be a better way. Can you move? Oh. If you create your binding code, you can add the processor like this. Oh. Add binding. Oh, but add binding with processor. No, I don't want custom. That's... So I'm guessing I cannot do it. So we have the look action, right? So let's say the look action dot bindings. Oh, because this is a read-only array. No, but we're getting the bindings. Are you a struct? What are you? Bindings, let's say 0 dot processors. And it's a string. Why is it a string? You know what? Just remove yourself. Let's put a debug point here, or a breakpoint, and we're gonna look into how what it's doing. Okay. Yeah, man. That's not where I wanted to stop. There you go. Look action dot bindings 0 dot processors. Stick that zone. Cool. But what are the values? Give me the values. Processors. Effective processors? Sure. Override processors. No. Cool. Um, this is what is this? Where's the info on you? Has override probably will return true. False. I don't understand. We do have processors, but it's very worrying. To remove a processor, no, that's a shit thing. Yeah, people say that you cannot just adjust it. You need to create a new binding and rebind the thing. But yeah, here access dead. Such bullshit. Such bullshit. All right. Stop. So, but we didn't see any values in there. So what if, so if it's not a default, doop, then we will see it, because I do need to understand how to format it. Come on. Thank you. Look action bindings 0 processors. Stick that zone. It's not very helpful. Where are you storing the values for it though? It's path. Oh, that's cool. So you see they do axis that zone with the min equals 0.2. So for adding a max, I would do the same thing. So it would be a comma max, semicolon max. I don't know. This is very stupid. And here it's called access that zone, while here, oh wait. Aha. Oh yeah, you see, it does use commas. It still calls it an axis dead zone, while here it's stick dead zone. Not sure what's the difference, if there is any. And this is stick dead zone. Huh. Should we try? I don't know. Okay, so what do people say? We need to clone the binding and reuse it. How is that? How does that work? So we have the action, we get the binding, and we do change binding of the index to the binding of that, and we just do this. Okay, so let's try it. I'm very skeptical that it's gonna work, but sure. Let's do look action. So we need the 0th binding 0 that change, what is it? Change, no, set, no, what was it? Change binding, yeah. Oh, on the action. That change binding of 0 with 2 look action that binding 0. Oh, actually, no. We need to take this. So use struct, right? This. It is a struct. Ah, that's why we can change it. That's why we cannot change it and we have to do this shenanigan bullshit. input binding temp equals this, right? Then temp dot overwrite processors, right? That's what we need. Cool. Very fun. Sure. So that equals to, so you call it access dead zone. Here it was stick dead zone or zones. My phone is yelling at me. What do you want? Yes, yes, yes. Complaining about my blood sugar. Just gonna give you a little bit. So you can stop yelling at me. Something like this, I think, will be enough for the stream. There you go. Okay, so stick dead zone with the min equals to 1.2 0.125. Actually, let's go with extreme so we can feel it. And then max equals 0.6, right? All right. Yeah, it looks like it. And then we take the temp and we do temp. So let's save that. Let's go back to Unity. That we need to remove this. Actually, we don't need to remove this. I'm curious to see how it's gonna interact with it. Okay, go here. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, actually, while we're here, let me look into the look action that bindings. Stick that zone. Yeah, okay. Let's see if it changes. It does. Such a hack, though. I think. I think it changed. Not sure. I think we're destroying it a bit too early. Never mind. Okay, so now let's try without this thing. Let's just go away and see how it's gonna react. And I will see if I can feel any difference. If I do, then that's the way. If not, then there's not gonna be a setting for it. Actually, I'm not sure why I'm doing that. I don't think I'll add it anyway. Yeah, it does. It does work. Okay, so it is the way. What if I do 1, 1? Is that gonna work? Bloop. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened, but it worked. So it broke something. Very interesting. I guess that was too much dead zone. I don't know. But okay. Well, we learn how to do the dead zone. Now we need to find the. Okay, not here. Okay, so we the